My name is Dr. Jeffrey Howard. I am an associate professor in the Department of Public Health at UTSA, and my background, my PhD is actually in applied demography. And I'm trained as a health demographer. I also did a postdoctoral fellowship in epidemiology and biostatistics. And after that, I worked for about 4 years for the Department of Defense as an epidemiologist prior to coming to UTSA. And at UTSA, I am, like I said, associate professor of public health. I am also the graduate advisor of record or program director for our master's program, and that's the Master of Science in Health, Community, and Policy. And I teach courses primarily in the health data analytics specialization. So I teach the sequence of data management, inferential statistics, and advanced statistics. I also teach research methods in community and public health. And my research is really focused on what I like to call accelerated aging. And so I'm really interested in exposures that are harmful, that lead to this accelerated aging process. And so I focus mainly on exposures to traumatic injury. That could be both physical injury, but could also be psychological or emotional injuries. And I look at that in a number of different contexts. Coming out of working in the military, I focus mainly on exposures to combat injuries, combat trauma, and then how that affects longer-term health trajectories after folks recover. So that's one of my main areas of research. I'm also interested in other kinds of exposures like discrimination, racial ethnic discrimination, and how that translates into, how that impacts health longer term. And one of the other areas that I've been kind of focused on more recently is how climate change impacts or how climate change is impacting health. So that's a little bit about me, and I look forward to meeting with you. If anybody's interested in my research or taking my classes, please do reach out to me. Thank you.